Artoonza.
Mario Mushroom fans, this one's for you! Today, we're diving into the funniest, sparkliest Mario Mushroom drawing for kids you've ever seen. Who knew a simple mushroom for kids could turn into a glitter explosion, a paint spa day, and a vacuum cleaner with way too much attitude? Yep, our Mario Mushroom is getting the full glow-up, glitter, paint drops, and all the drama. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have the cutest, silliest, most magical mushroom drawing for kids that even Mario would power up for. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom, nom, nom. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Give us a big thumbs up. If your mushroom smiles back, you did it right. Hi, little buddy. Drip, drop, splash. Our Mario Mushroom stalk is getting a golden juice makeover. Basically a VIP spa day for mushrooms. Boom! Red paint drops incoming. This Mario Mushroom cap just went from plain potato to superstar power-up in seconds.
Aww, so cute.
This isn't just a mushroom for kids. It's a superstar Mario Mushroom that looks ready to jump out of the game. Don't be shy, Color High. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.